class 10. Today I am going to teach you Finance and Accounting Commercial Studies. The chapter is Finance and Accounting. In that we are going to study the section A, the first part, that is Capital and Revenue Transactions. We are going to study today what is capital and revenue transaction means. Okay, we are going to study about capital and revenue transaction. Now see, meaning of capital expenditure. The first thing we will study in this section, that is meaning of capital expenditure. See, what is capital expenditure? Capital expenditure. The capital expenditure consists of expenditure, the benefit of which is not fully consumed in one accounting period but spread over several periods that includes the expenditure incurred. For example, capital expenditure like purchase of land and machinery. Purchase of land and machinery, suppose land and machinery, when we purchase land, the uses of that land or the uses of that machinery we are not take in 1 year. One accounting year means 1 year, 365 days. The benefit from that we are not taking only for 1 year. That is benefited to us for years and years. Over years and years. For example, I have started my business. I have purchased one machinery. That machinery, if I have purchased one machinery, that machinery will not be used only for 1 year, only for one accounting period. That will be used for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as much as I can utilize that proper machinery. This type of expenditures, the money which we expend on purchasing this type of things, this type of assets you can say, that is considered as capital expenditure. They are known as capital expenditure. Next you see, next is meaning of revenue expenditure. Meaning of revenue expenditure, in capital expenditure, the expenditure which is not, the benefit of which not taken in one accounting period, and in revenue expenditure consists of expenditure incurred in one accounting period and the full benefit of which is also consumed in the same year. Same year means in 1 year, at one time only. Like repair of machinery. If we will repair the machinery for one time, if second time something happens, so again we have to pay. One time payment we did, money we have paid one time payment. And again if something happens to it, so second time again we have to pay for it. So the benefit of which we can consume in the same accounting period or at the same time. This type of expenditures, this type of kharcha we can say is known as revenue expenditure. Moving on the next, that is meaning of deferred revenue expenditure. Now see, this is the benefit of some revenue expenditure, means the benefit of some revenue expenditure. What I told, revenue expenditures are those expenditures the benefit of which we can use at the same accounting period. That time only we utilize them. But the deferred revenue expenditure are those revenue expenditures whose benefits is not taken in that particular time period. Matlab, in that period it is not consumed totally. The benefit of that can be taken for more than one accounting period also. The best example is expenditure on advertising campaign to introduce a new product in the market. See, the expenditure we will do one time. Payment done. One time. So it will be revenue expenditure. But its benefit we will be getting not one year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. So this type of expenditures are considered as deferred revenue expenditure. Next, see, capital receipt. Capital receipt means the money which we receive from the sale of fixed assets. The capital things which we have expenditure means the expenditure which we have done on this capital. Now when we sell these all things, when we sold out these all things, the money which we will receive, that will be considered as capital receipt. Like sale of fixed asset, sale of the debentures, shares, that will all considered as capital received. The sale of from the fixed assets, the expenditure which we done on the fixed asset. Now when we are going to sell this out, when we are going to sold it out, then the money which we will get, that will be considered as capital received. This will be go in the entry of capital received. Next you see, next is revenue received. Revenue received, the expenditure, revenue expenditure I told you. Revenue received. Revenue received is a receipt which is a gain, and the payment which is not repayable, means we not have to repay. Dobara nahi dena. We don't have to repay. It is a gain or it is a payment which we don't have to repay. Like rent received, like commission. The things we received for a particular time period, that types of receipt are known as revenue received. Example, rent, commission, interest, discounts, etc.